Mastering the mystery. Who or whom? Hello everyone. Today, we are going to demystify a common confusion in English language. The use of who and whom. We'll look into when and how to properly use these words, and more importantly, how to avoid mixing them up. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. First, let's talk about who. We use who when we refer to the subject of a clause. The subject is the person or thing doing the action. For example, in the sentence, "Who made the cake?" Who is the subject who did the action, making the cake. On the other hand, whom is used when you're referring to the object of a clause. The object is the person or thing that the action is done to. For instance, whom did you give the book to? Here, the book is given to whom, making it the object of the sentence. Here is a simple trick to decide whether to use who or whom. Ask yourself if the answer to the question would be he, she, or him, her. If it's he or she, use who. If it's him or her, use whom. For example, if the answer to the question, who made the cake, is he made the cake, you know to use who. One of the most common mistakes is using whom in place of who and vice versa. Remember, who is for the person doing the action and whom is for the one receiving the action. Another frequent error is using whom immediately after prepositions. While it is not wrong, it's considered overly formal in most modern English contexts, and who is usually acceptable in casual conversation. Well, there you have it. With this knowledge, you are now better equipped to tackle the perplexing duo of who and whom. Remember to practice using them correctly in your everyday English. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll be able to use who and whom accurately without a second thought. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!